Okay. Here it is. Oh my god. Okay, so it's updated. It's officially an earthquake. It was originally in Canada, but it felt in northeastern Ohio. It's a 5.5 earthquake. Reports of the earthquake are coming in everywhere from Cincinnati to Cleveland and up into New England. And that includes Akron and, of course, where I live, Canton. And it's, it's frightening. 5.5 magnitude earthquake from Ontario, Canada, was apparently felt where I live, northeastern Ohio, as far as south from Cincinnati. That means we're involved with it. We were involved with the Canadian earthquake. So yeah, this is scary, folks. This is completely scary.